Beautybuff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then please consider subscribing below. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it or not. You know, on this channel, we just like to relax and let loose, get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, taking a really good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. On today's video, I'm just going to be showing you a quick DIY. I had an issue with like some sagging drawers from my Ikea closet that I have behind me. I had put so many things in the drawers that they began to sag. So I kind of searched the internet, YouTube, to see how I can fix that. And I came across a channel called Technically Eric, and he actually had a fix for sagging drawers. So I'm actually going to show you step by step what he did. Or you can go to his video or go to his Etsy shop to get the material. I actually ordered mine off of Amazon because it came in quicker, and his material wasn't actually in yet when I was going to order it. He was out. So I just went to Amazon, picked up the different things, and I'm going to show you in this video how it worked. So I did like use a little bit more reinforcement than he did on my drawers, just because I do kind of pack them out, unfortunately. So I wanted to make sure that they hold up. So if you're interested in how to keep your drawers from sagging, then keep watching. Okay, beauty, so if you don't know what I mean by a saggy drawer, this right here, this one is coming down. That one is a little bit, it's hanging. But this one is hanging. But this one is hanging a whole lot. So I can like put my finger in there. So that's what I'm trying to fix. So I'm just gonna move my clothes over so you can see, like you can see through here. So you can see through here that it's a space, it's a gap. It's supposed to sit there in that little groove, but it's too heavy from the clothes, so it gaps open. So that's what I'm gonna be fixing in this video.
So how you fixing that? That's gonna hold it like that?
This
I thought you was doing it across.
because it's sagging right here.
How many you putting in?
I put like 2.
There you go. Hold it.
You gonna come in here with me? Oh, you ain't. YouTube, you see, you don't want to come in here with me.
You so done changed clothes doing that.
It was hot. It was hot.
Is you making it long enough? Is the screw long enough? But
The screw long enough.
But you don't want it too long.
It ain't too long.
You want it longer, but I'm saying you don't want it to be able to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it ain't long. It just keep. It's.
You got it too. Putting it too low. Won't you gorilla glue this? You know what I'm saying?
It don't never
Go tight.
That's what I'm doing. It won't go in now.
Why?
Like this only one like that. Well, I fixed all of them. Like.
Oh, you already did them?
I already did.
It's holding them good?
But this was the worst one.
You just putting 2?
Right here.
What are you
It's just in
doing
the
like?
middle. Where you going?
Got it.
Come back. Come give me a kiss. Oh, you can't. Give me a kiss. For you too. Yeah. You love of my life. Oh, that's how you really feel on camera and all that. All right, and so now you see the gap is gone. It's actually sitting in the little groove. And it's secure. All right, beauty, so I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, it's just a quick DIY, and if you could just go back and give technically Eric some love on his page if you're interested. He walks you through it step by step, and like I said, he does have an Etsy shop with all the equipment on there, or all the materials if you're interested in it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And as always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. Please remember to spend some time with God as well, or meditating, whichever you do, and I hope to see you in my next video.